In 1977, scientists discovered something unusual deep in the ocean. It was a hydrothermal vent, a crack in the seafloor releasing extremely hot, chemical-rich water. Around this harsh environment, life was everywhere. Giant tube worms, strange crabs, creatures that had never seen sunlight, yet were alive and thriving. This discovery shocked scientists. It proved that life on Earth does not always need sunlight to survive. But here's what most people don't know. When scientists later returned to study similar deep-sea areas, they noticed something disturbing. Some places that had been physically disturbed by human activity showed almost no recovery, even after decades. That's when researchers realized something critical. Damage in the deep ocean does not heal the same way it does on land. A forest can regrow in a few decades. A coral reef may recover in a century. But in the deep sea, one mistake can leave scars that last hundreds, sometimes even thousands, of years. In this video, we'll explore why deep-sea damage lasts so long, what exactly gets destroyed, and why scientists urge extreme caution when it comes to the deepest parts of our planet. Welcome to Depth Uncovered, a channel where we explore the hidden science of Earth using real research, real discoveries, and real consequences. If you enjoy understanding how our planet truly works beneath the surface, consider subscribing. And if this video adds value, a like helps it reach more curious minds. Now, let's go deeper. The deep ocean is nothing like the surface world. Down there, everything moves at a much slower pace. Food is scarce. Energy is limited. Temperatures are near freezing. Most deep-sea organisms grow extremely slowly. Some deep-sea corals grow only a few millimeters each year. Others take decades just to reach maturity. This means that once something is destroyed, it cannot simply grow back. When a fishing net drags across the deep sea floor, it can wipe out organisms that took hundreds of years to form. Unlike shallow ecosystems, there are no fast-growing plants or algae to replace what's lost. Reproduction is another major challenge. Many deep-sea species reproduce very rarely. Some depend on highly specific conditions to survive. If those conditions are disturbed, the species may never return. Scientists have studied deep-sea trawling sites from the 1970s and 1980s. Even after 40 to 50 years, some areas show little to no signs of recovery. That's why scientists often say, damage in the deep sea happens in minutes, but recovery happens on geological timescales. One clear example comes from early deep-sea mining tests. In the 1970s, scientists carried out small mining experiments on the ocean floor. Only limited areas were disturbed. Decades later, researchers returned to study those same locations. What they found was alarming. Tracks left by machinery were still visible. Sediment had not fully settled. Many organisms never returned. Even after more than 40 years, these ecosystems had not recovered. Another example is deep-sea coral destruction. Some corals found at depths greater than 1,000 meters are believed to be thousands of years old. When these corals are destroyed by trawling or mining, they are gone forever on human timescales. These deep-sea environments are not empty or lifeless. They store carbon. They recycle nutrients. They support species we are still discovering. Once damaged, there is no quick solution. This is why scientists approach the deep sea with extreme caution. The deep ocean does not easily forgive mistakes. Interest in the deep ocean is increasing rapidly. Governments and companies are exploring new possibilities. such as deep sea mining, expanded fishing zones, underwater infrastructure. Scientists are not against exploration, but they warn us to slow down, not because exploration is dangerous, but because we still don't fully understand the consequences. The deep ocean plays a vital role in regulating Earth's climate, storing carbon, controlling ocean circulation. Damaging it could impact the entire planet, not just the ocean floor. Scientists highlight one serious concern. We are making decisions that could affect ecosystems for thousands of years, based on only a few decades of scientific data. That imbalance carries serious risks. The deep sea is one of the last places on Earth where human impact remains limited. Once certain boundaries are crossed, there may be no way to reverse the damage. The deep ocean is not fragile because it is weak. It is fragile because it is slow to grow, slow to recover, slow to respond. That's why a single mistake in the deep sea can last longer than civilizations, longer than recorded history, and longer than we can truly comprehend. Understanding this is not about fear, it's about responsibility. Because the deepest parts of our planet will remember our actions long after we are gone.